Here we have the Pro Storm work table. This is the PSWB003. So it's very sturdy. It's got 4 legs, as you can see. You can very easily, if you want, you can put down, push it up and put down the sides, okay? If you only wanted to only use one side, right? And for storage, you can just push these buttons right here and the legs fold in, okay? So it's very convenient. When you want to open it up, you just open it up and boom, you're ready to go. All right, it comes with built-in clamps. So you can, put obviously a piece of wood here if you wanted to clamp something. You can use your imagination. It also came with these little feet or little pegs, I guess you could say. You can push these down and slide these in all of these little compartments here, all these little slivers, and you can use that to clamp something down. So if I move this here, if I pretend this is a piece of wood, I'd be able to clamp against there, right, with these built-in clamps. Now these built-in clamps, to kind of keep them out of the way, you can fold them down, right? So you're not constantly walking into them. I thought that was a pretty neat feature. It also has built-in measuring, which is always nice. Usually I don't trust things like that, but what these are good for is if you're really measuring something, if you wanted to cut something at the same length, let's just say, you can use these, marks on here or hashtags or whatever you want to call them to just measure. So you can see you have your inches here. I think this is millimeters here. You also have these pegs right here that are fully, adjustable. You can move these anywhere you want. Again, this would be used just to clamp against. And it also came with some U-bolts, and I'll put them right here. And this is if you wanted to attach a tool to it, right? So you can put this inside, slide this in, and you'll be able to slide, whatever you wanted in there and attach it. Okay, it folds up very easily. It also has a little table down here, okay? So if I bring in a little bit closer, you can see everything here. And what I'll do, I will very quickly, this would be a very good gift for someone. Fold it up. I forgot to mention as well, it has these little trays here for catching bolts. So if I fold this up like this, and here. There you go, you're folded up. So, folds up really small, it doesn't take up a lot of room. Awesome.